Welcome back to my channel. So it is the girl Keymee K. So today we are going to be doing a hair tutorial. I do want to say thank you to Asteria hair for sending me out this unit to review. So thank you to them for sponsoring this video. So they did send the unit with a lot of goodies in it. You do see that you get an elastic band. You do get the bag that you can store your wig in. You do get some scarves. You do get eyelashes, and then you do get the silk headband that you can go ahead and tie your wig down with. So this is going to be a body wave wig. It is going to have HD lace. It is a 5x5 closure wig, and it is 18 inches. This wig does also have 180% density, so it is full and pretty, which I freaking love. So you do have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and you do have the adjustable straps. Like I said, it does come with an elastic band if you do want to sew that in the unit. The wig, it does have the HD lace on this unit as well, and then I want to say it does come with baby hairs. So with this unit, it fits the head like nicely. I didn't have to fix the straps or anything at all. And then I think it has like the ear contour, the tabs on the side. So as you can see, it contours the head like it fits very perfectly. So if you have a medium cap, this is going to fit you, because the cap size I do have is a medium. So to start out, I'm going to brush my baby hairs back, and then I'm going to pull the cap down. I'm going to do the ball cap method, but only in the front where I'm going to lay the 5x5. So only in the center. I'm going to be using my Got to Be Glued freezing spray, and then I'm going to use my hair blow dryer on low cool just to go ahead and dry that down. And like I said, I'm only doing the center because this is a 5x5 closure. After that, I do use the Got to Be Glued in the black bottle just to lay down the edges of where that wig cap did come up at. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my foundation. I'm going to use the Vitalist Healthy Elixir. This is by CoverGirl. It is the color 765 in the shade Tiny. I'm going to put this on my ball cap as well as on the bottom of the lace. And I do put this on my wrist, and then I do take this Morphe E6 brush and I just swirl that around. And then I'm just going to apply that to the center, because this is a 5x5 closure wig, so you don't have to do like the whole front. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my alcohol and remove any oils, and also that makeup that I did just put on that cap. And I'm gonna be applying my glue. I am gonna go ahead and apply 2 layers of this glue. And so for me, the glue, it was like just shooting on out. So be careful on using your glue. All I do is just take my comb and just smooth it out. So if you keep smoothing it out, it'll kind of help thin it out if you do kind of mess up. So after that glue has dried down, I'm going to go ahead and lay the lace on top. I like to keep my lace on my wig before I cut it off. That way, if I have to pull some over my edges, I can. With this unit though, it is a closure unit, so like the sides where you have the baby hairs at, those were out anyway, so I didn't have to worry about any lace being covered up over that. After that, I do blow dry the glue just a little bit so that I can go ahead and cut off the lace. And I am using a eyebrow razor to cut that lace off. And as you can see, this lace melted into the skin so freaking good. Like, it melted into the skin very, very good. After you cut off the lace, you are just going to go ahead and tie your unit down. Usually after that, I will sit under like a hair dryer, and I will have it on a low heat, and I will sit there at least for 30 minutes to make sure that glue has kind of settled down and soaked into the skin. That way you get the best melt possible. After that has been done, I'm going to go in and fix my parting space and pluck out some baby hairs. So this unit, it does look nice. It is pre-plucked, but I do want to just take some baby hairs out. So I do kind of have to pluck those down a little bit to get them to look natural, because I am plucking behind where they did have some baby hairs at. So I did take some mousse to lay those baby hairs down, and then I'm using my Care wax stick to go ahead and flatten out the top. So I do want to lay down the parting space as well as the front of the hairline. With this hair, I did go ahead and do my baby hairs a little bit differently, only because I didn't like how they look. I kind of want them big, but I didn't like them like that, so I did go in and redo them. So I did do them a little bit more natural for me. So next I did go in with some heat protectant spray, and then I did want to go ahead and curl this hair up. This hair, you're not going to get tangling. I didn't get any tangling, and then you are going to get a little bit of shedding. I only had like a strand or two of shedding. This hair is very soft, it's very full and pretty, which I freaking love. The unit is going for $284.13 on the site, and I highly recommend this unit. This unit is very soft and pretty, and you can tell the hair is very high quality, which I do love. And like I said, the lace melted into the skin flawlessly. And I did curl this unit, and the curls did hold up, which I did like also. So yeah, I am going to talk on the end just a little bit. I was in a hurry to go to the movie, so I did just say a few words. But yeah, I freaking love this wig, and I will see you guys in my next video. So thank y'all guys for watching. Make sure if you haven't already, click that subscribe button down below. If you have any questions or comments that I did not answer, leave me any comments. And like I said, I will leave a link down below on where you can purchase this unit. And girl, do you see how pretty these curls are? This hair will not disappoint you, and it is a closure unit, so it's so freaking easy to install, which I do love, and the lace melts into the skin. So please do check them out. Thank you again, Asteria Hair, for sponsoring this video. So let's go ahead and get into this hair. So this hair, as you saw in the before clip, that was done yesterday. This is a new day, so this is how the curls look after it has been a whole day. The curls, they are still there. This is going to be body wave hair, so the curls are still there. It's just not as bouncy and full as it was yesterday. So I really do like that, because this hair still, you know, holds a curl to it. So the hair, you're not gonna get a lot of tangling at all, and then I did get very minimum shedding. The hair is very soft even after putting heat on it and stuff. So I really do like that, and I just love running my hands through it. It feels so soft and pretty. The lace does melt into your skin. I think I put a little bit too much glue right here, so I don't really like it right there. But other than that, the lace does look good. It melts into the skin. I really do like it. I will leave the links down below on where you can purchase this hair at. So if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video.